In this video, you will learn how to connect mailboxes to SigParser by creating a Google Service account. With a Google Service account connection, your IT administrator can securely connect employee mailboxes to SigParser for scanning and parsing. With this approach, employees do not need to take any action to connect their respective mailboxes for scanning, and you can add or remove mailboxes from your Google Cloud Console. To start, you must have access to the following: a SigParser account. Either create an account or have access to your organization's SigParser account with the permissions needed to add users and connect mailboxes. Admin access for your organization's Google Cloud Console. Admin access for your organization's Admin Center. A list of the email addresses you wish to connect and scan in SigParser. And use the instructions page in SigParser to copy and paste the necessary values. In your SigParser account, go to Mailboxes, Add, Connect Mailboxes with Admin, Create New Connection, and select Google Cloud Service Account, and follow the instructions on this page. Select this link to go to Google Cloud Console to create a Google Cloud project. Name your project SigParser Mailboxes, and make sure your organization and location are selected from the drop-down menus. Then select Create. Next, you will enable the API permissions shown in this section of the instructions page. Go to the Google Cloud API library to enable these Google API services. Make sure to select the SigParser Mailboxes project from the drop-down menu at the top left of the page. Search and enable each of the APIs shown on this section of the instructions page for this SigParser Mailboxes project. Next, go to this Google Service Account page to create a service account and download the necessary JSON file. You can name your service account SigParser Service Account, and in the description, enter a service account for SigParser to access data. You can skip the optional steps and select Done. Then, select the three dots to the right side of the new SigParser service account. Select Manage Keys, select Add Key, Create New Key. Select the JSON option. This will download the JSON file to your computer. Select Create. Next, go to this page in Google Admin Domain-Wide Delegation to add your client ID and scopes. At the top of the screen, select Add New. Open the service account JSON file that was downloaded to your computer. Scroll down and copy the client ID value from the file. Paste the client ID into the client ID text box. Then, copy and paste the text from the SigParser instructions page into the OAuth scopes text box. Then select Authorize. Next, copy and paste the entire JSON contents into the text box on the SigParser instructions page. Next, add a connection name, such as SigParser Google Connection, in the text box on the SigParser instructions page. Then, enter an email address of a member's account from your organization in the text box on the SigParser instructions page. Then, select Create and Test Connection. You can manage this connection in your SigParser account by going to Mailboxes and selecting the connection under the column Connection. You can follow the instructions on this page to add additional mailboxes.